Coming up, we have the chip seal section. Here we have B350. We observed little to no distress in the chip seal section. There was a significant amount of rutting, however very little fatigue other than a small amount of raveling at the lane edge. Coming up 1+00. This chip seal has held up very well. As I mentioned, just a small amount of raveling at the beginning. Here we have station 3. On station 4. And the end of that test section. Station 5. This concludes this video survey on US Route 43 in a southbound lane, the SPS section